How to prepare for moving into an assisted living facility. Moving into an assisted living facility is a significant transition that requires careful preparation. At Gracias Living, we're here to guide you through every step of the process. Here are some essential tips to help you prepare for the move. First, let's talk about healthcare and medical arrangements. Coordinate with your healthcare providers to transfer medical records and prescriptions to the new facility. Ensure continuity of care by notifying your doctors about the move and scheduling any necessary appointments in advance. Next, consider the emotional preparation. Moving can be an emotional experience. Prepare yourself and your loved ones for the impact of this transition. Encourage open communication and offer your support to ease any anxiety or concerns during this time. As moving day approaches, complete any final preparations. Complete all the necessary paperwork with the assisted living facility. Ensure that you're ready to move to your new home. By following these general tips, you can ensure a smoother transition into assisted living. Remember, the team at Gracias Living is here to support you every step of the way. If you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Contact Gracias Living today to learn more about our services and how we can make your move as seamless as possible.